you can actually do an oats smoothie. And before we continue with this video, please like and subscribe and comment, you guys. Comment, tell us what you want us to improve or what you want us next to do or something that you would like. So today we'll be using oats, full cream milk. You can use any milk that you prefer, cinnamon and banana. So I'm very excited to actually try it. I actually already tried it and it's actually very delicious. Just cut that thing. Cut it. See, cut the apples very small because in the the machine, that it's not going to really make it into a smoothie if it's not cut small. So I think it should be done in a few seconds now. You have to be me, not dad.
I really did,
Oh. So now we'll put it into a bowl.
like you did.
So we'll now put it into a bowl and put it in here. Some of those, not a lot of oats, but if you're making for your family or whatever, then you can also put it. So then I put that, the apple, I put the milk inside the oats. Just enough. And then you soak it for 5 minutes. Then you actually soak it for 5 minutes. And then you put cinnamon. I think that's enough, and make sure it soaks for 5 minutes. Now we'll be putting the cinnamon, the components inside the machine. And I personally like putting a little bit more milk because it's already soaked in the oats, so that's enough. Now I just put it inside. Just have to check if all of the components are actually see, there's still some here, so there's still some of the apples, so you still have to use the machine again. So use the machine until everything is actually just put into this snack. So this is how the final product actually looks, and it's actually very delicious actually. Well, now we'll be putting it into here. Very delicious.